Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert area of a triangle equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert area of triangle equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the More equation from office.com. Then find the area of triangle. Here the area of a triangle, we insert it to click. Now we can see we insert the area of triangle equation very easily. You can edit this equation, click the equation box and go to the design menu, then edit. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.